Another lovely little touch is a bespoke seating plan. I've pre-cut some tags and my 50mm roll is ready in my Brother Design and Craft printer. On the home page, I choose New Design and alter the width of my workspace to slightly over 80mm because this is the width of the tags. Press Type and I'm using the keypad to insert the names, pressing Return after each name so that they're on single lines. I press Typeface and choose my font, pressing Approve when I'm happy with the choice. Then simply print and cut the label. I've just got to quickly change the roll. I want a 25mm one this time and I need to change this on the screen too. Adjust the size again to just over 80mm and pop in the table number. I choose Art and then Flowers 3, select various flowers and approve. Resize and duplicate any of the flowers you'd like by highlighting them and pressing Stamp. Just arrange your flowers. Resize, print, cut and stick it to the tag. The same for the other sized labels. Using double-sided sticky tape, stick a length of lace under the name label. Tie twine through the hole at the top and you're finished.